Today, in this email, we're going to show how to use Easiio ChatAI email marketing features to help your business increase your sales lead by using our email campaign capability, which is powered by OpenAI, ChatGPT, and ChatGPT 4. So what you can do is, here is our ChatAI. You can build your knowledge base by incorporating your business information with a content import into it, and then you can build some character bots. Each one will do certain things. So for example, this is email bot, which will allow you to create a email assistant, help you write email. Okay, once you have these things, you can go to our email campaign features, which is right here, and so first thing you need to have is email account for sending out email. And here I have a list of email account already warm up with instantly.io. And make sure you use the one which is not your company, use a different domain so you won't be get into trouble with your main email. And then once you have email account, the next thing you have is have a list of email for your potential lead. And you can get a lead from, for example, Apollo or Zoom in for any of the directory service information. So I open up, this is my contact for the I collect from Apollo marketing agencies, and I'm going to use that. They have very good information like first name, last name, company, email address, even phone number. You can also buy it from some other source, okay, or get it from your website. And once I have your email list and your email account for sending the email, next thing you will do is to have this campaign. And you can build a campaign, you can give it a name, you can set what's the chatbot you want to use. You can create dynamic content from here, right? You can use one of the chatbot to create some dynamic content. But for now, I'm going to just skip. And once you create a dynamic content here, you can give it a variable name, you can give it a prompt. Then this is like from your company. You can use your company's info to write some prompt to create some content. You can use customers' website to create some content. And but in this case, I'm not, about your business. You can say about your business, and then you said write 50 words about the business, and then into your company. If they cannot generate any answer, you use some replacing word here, but we are not using it, right? So it's schedule, you have a free listing. And then you give them the write a template, and here you use curly bracket to get the dynamic contents into it. If you have curly bracket, you can set first name. This is their first name or last name, their title, etc. And the sender's first name, last name. So this will be replaced with a real things when it's done. And then you can test this. Okay, that's good. Like once I see this content, I say test. Now it's ready sending out email to my mailbox, and I save this campaign. Okay, and then I check. Once I check email, is everything is good to go. And next thing I will do is I will replace this with the real email. I can choose multiple. Okay, and then here I can add the real email I want to send. So I can choose this one. I set at 40. At the 40, well, add 40 of them to this. Now, okay. Oh, I will chemicals. Let me change this to larger number. Let's set to 50. Okay, let me choose every one of them. 50 of these guys. And then I will set confirm. I'll remove some of these. And yeah, then I will, once I have everything, right? I have all these sending email, I have a whole list of all these emails. And then I will go and start sending. I say confirm. So now I save my directories, and then I can start sending out the email. As you say continue. And now you have the email start sending out, okay? And you can see the details of the marketing campaign. Right, click on the details. This will give you how many sent and how many response. Okay, and that's it. Yeah, and and once they reply, you can see them here. Okay, then you can start follow up. You can have sequence. You can create a lead and schedules, calls, etc. using our system. Okay, this is the first introduction of ChatAI email marketing, and hope it works for help your business to increase the sales. Okay, thank you for your time.